Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. Here we have the Volkswagen ID.5 on a 72 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. I'm going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space. We've also got the cable there to charge the vehicle up. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see, firstly, the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the paintwork the whole way around the car. Just briefly, before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the vehicle, we're going to start with the dials, as it were. You can see, firstly, the total miles of this car. They are 17,471. It will show you the battery charge level, both as a percentage and the mileage that you have left. So you can see there 215 miles of range. To put this car into drive is just here. So at the minute, we're in park, which is the button on the end. We have neutral and reverse, of course, here. So twisting it that way will put it into drive, as you can see. And the car is letting you know that you are ready just here. We then have neutral and reverse on here as well. So if I pop it back into neutral for a minute, the vehicle is now ready and running, as you can see from the green ready that comes in below that digital readout for the speedometer. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the right hand side, we have stereo controls. You can also slide your finger across here to change the view up on that main screen. We have cruise control. Once you set cruise control, this button, give that a push. This vehicle is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically depending on the car in front's speed. We also have a heads-up display, which you may be able to see just there. Over into the center next, the main screen for the car, which, as you can see, gives you a full parking camera. It also gives you satellite navigation. There are different views to this home screen. Really big screen, by the way, as you can see there, just for context with my hand. But the square there will take you back to the main screen. But you can have different main screens available to you. You've got your satellite navigation. You've, of course, got your audio menu as well, where you can access your DAB and FM radio. You can also, from here, access Bluetooth audio and My Media, which will allow you to save certain playlists into the car of your own. You have charging information, your telephone menu just there. We've got a heated driver and passenger seat, so hit that button. That will open up your climate control menu, essentially, where you can control your heated driver seat, heated passenger seat, the fan speed for the climate control, the direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. You can turn your air conditioning on and off, of course, from here as well. We've also got a heated steering wheel with 3 different heat settings, and again, you can turn that on and off from there. We can exit out of that. To enter that menu, you can hit climate or climber just there. You can see we're on the climate control menu. We have our parking menu, which will give us the parking sensors for the car. Popping the vehicle into reverse will give you the parking camera. We have our vehicle assist systems menu. And over on the right hand side, the different driving profiles. So eco, comfort, sport, and individual. And under individual, you can customize the settings that are shown on the screen right now. Below that, we've got 2 cup holders, as you can see. Of course, you could use that area for storage. Plenty of storage here, though, along with 2 USB-C inputs as well. The last thing I wanted to mention is the panoramic glass roof. We have I won't even call it a button, but you slide your finger back and it will open up the sunblind, as you can see. The roof itself is actually fixed in position, so it's a fixed section of glass. But as you'll see, when this is fully open, it's massive. It lets in a huge amount of light to the cabin area. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the car. So firstly, in this envelope is the spare key, so 2 keys in total. The V5 registration document, of course, showing that this is a 2-owner car from new. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live, bespoke video tour of the car, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.